Hi, my name is Krista Curtis. Ever since I was a kid, tie-dyeing has always been a staple activity during the summer months. I remember a bunch of friends getting together and we used to go ham on different patterns and color combinations. Tie-dyeing is a relatively easy and cheap activity for all ages, and it allows everyone to express themselves in their own way. However, you might be a little bored with regular tie-dye, so for that, I will introduce you to inverse tie-dye. So the things you'll need are pretty basic. They're basically the same things you need for regular tie-dye with some few changes. So you'll need a black shirt with whatever size you want, rubber gloves, rubber bands, and then bleach. So the first thing you want to do is get your shirt out, and you want to lay it down flat, like so. And there's a ton of different patterns you can do for tie-dyeing, and you can look those up, but for today we're going to go for the simple swirl tie-dye. So to do that, you pick a spot on the shirt. We'll just go with the center of the shirt, and you pinch it between your two fingers and you twist it like so, and you keep twisting it until you have all the shirt sort of bunched up in like this spiral shape. And so once you've got that, you take your rubber bands, however many you want, depending on how many sections you want, and you just rubber band up the shirt like so, kind of, and you just keep adding rubber bands until you have your desired, ooh, that one broke. Then if you have any extra sections like this, you can always just fold it back and put it under a rubber band. That way they're all sort of, it's all into one package, I guess, like this. So once you've got all that, you're going to take your bleach and you're going to put it into a little squirt bottle. For this, I recommend that you do straight bleach, but you can also dilute it a little bit if you want sort of a lighter pattern and not as like stark bleachness, I guess. So you just do this like you do a regular tie-dye, and you just pour it over. Ooh. Wait, first we have to put on our protective gloves. Since we're using bleach, it's very important to use safety first. And then you just pour it over your shirt like so. Just getting in all the different sections really nice and saturated. So, sort of like how you would do a normal tie-dye, only this time we're using bleach instead of. So, make sure you get both sides and that they're all saturated really well. Oops. And you can already see some of the bleach starting to take effect on the shirt, and it's lightening it up in a nice way. So it's best to just leave it on. The longer you leave the bleach on your shirt, the better it'll take out the color and the more you'll see the pattern. So once you have your bleach put on, you simply just have to rinse out the shirt with warm water like so. And you just rinse it out until you see no more bleach coming out. And usually when bleach comes out of the shirt, it'll run orange. So you want to keep wringing out the shirt with warm water until it starts to run clear. And then after that, you just hang your shirt up to dry, and then you can wash and dry it like any other normal shirt. And then once everything is dry, it comes out looking like this. So, yeah. And if you want to, you can add colors to it. It works best with darker colors to some of the sections. As you can see, we've put some red in here, and you can add it just a little different shades if you want. So, now some simple tips to make your experience more enjoyable would be, it's best to complete this in an area, like a grassy area outside or somewhere you can lay down some sort of protective surface. Or you can do it somewhere where it's okay if it gets a little messed up, like a kitchen counter or something. But it's best to do it outside. And also you always want to wear gloves when working with bleach, especially, and if you're using dyes, that way you can protect your hands and your skin and any other valuable items. It's best to get like the best results would be to completely saturate the areas and to do it a couple times rather than just once. Like bleach it and then let it dry and then bleach it again. Also, if you're doing this with small children, make sure that during the bleach step they have parental guidance, or you let their parents perform that step for them. It's very important. Also, even though I'm not wearing, I'm dressed a little nicer, make sure you wear clothes that you don't care about getting anything on, because bleach can splash and it'll stain your clothes and they'll kind of be ruined forever. But I hope you enjoyed this demonstration, and now you have this fun, cool, unique tie-dye that you can wear during all seasons, especially fall and winter like we are now. So, thank you.